julep, pop, 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 julep, pop, 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 julep, pop, 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 pop.
So the Creative Media Camp is basically where we get a big brand, we work with young creative minds, and we try to find a solution to a brief that is set from the big brand. And it's incredible because they get to get the experience of working with real industry life briefs, at the same time get to put something on their CV that can help for their future.
I'm the Director of Specialism here at Global Academy, oversee all our industry projects, and it's been amazing to work with Ideas Foundation and the BBC on a real life exciting brief for our students. It's been great for them to hear from industry professionals about how they will kind of do these projects in the real world.
Just want to say, anything you do in life starts with things like this. So, always step out your comfort zone, stay creative, stay creative.
My favourite part has definitely been seeing everyone's creative ability. We all are so different and we've all come together to make something that we all like, and we all enjoy.
I think you should take part in the camp because you get to gain so many different skills and work with real different brands and meet so many different people, and it's really good for networking.
Well, it's just a great experience in total. You get to meet all sorts of mentors, you get to know, your students and people around you. Even great way to just, talk a bit about who you are, what kind of stuff you do and what you want to do.
Being part of the Ideas Foundation is a fantastic thing to do. I've learned so much in a week. I've been able to work on projects that you don't normally get the opportunity to do. I couldn't recommend it more. It's incredible, really, the chances of things you can do.